Man, all this news is so boring. I really wish I could see the stuff related to the fighter wing.
Hey, I just hear you want some news on the fighter wing?
Yeah, I just want to know fighter wing news. I don't care about all this.
Do you know that you made this app?
I mean,
When you click on the news, whoop, check this out. All the news you could ever want to learn about.
Airman Lewis, what are you doing? Why are you sleeping? What are you doing?
I forgot it was drill this weekend, and I forgot to make my lodging reservation, so I stayed here.
You stayed here? How did you not know the drill schedule? Did you know that the drill schedule is on the app?
It's on the app now,
It's on the app.
so I don't have to text my supervisor to ask when?
So you don't have to text me anymore to find out when drill is. The calendar is on there, the drill schedule, there's lots of good information in the app. You should download it.
Are down days on there too for full-timers?
Yes, down days are on there for full-timers.
That's awesome. No more sleeping here. Thanks, ma'am.
Does anyone know the number for finance?
Right here in the Air Force Connect app, it says 245-4440. It even has the hours on it.
What app is that?
The Air Force Connect app, under the 115 Fighter Wing, it's got it all.
As your public affairs office, we wanted to take a special moment to tell you about the emergency section on the app. Easily accessible, any hotline you could possibly imagine is there. If some life event has happened to you, or you're in your own mind, suicide, divorce, loss of a child or family member, any significant events that you need help with, go to the emergency section of the app. No matter what has happened in your life, you are not alone. And we thought it was incredibly important for you to know that, and to know even if you're not here on drill weekend, the app is in your hands at all times, and connection to those resources is there for you.
Now that you've downloaded the app, to add the 115 Fighter Wing, go to Favorites in the bottom right corner, select Add More, and type the 115 Fighter Wing. After it's selected, you can go back and you'll see everything available to you. If you have any questions on the functions of the Air Force Connect app, or would like to leave a comment on what you'd like to see in the future, don't hesitate to reach out to the Public Affairs Office.